everyone. Welcome to Stock Navigator. Today is September 24, 2019. Let's get started to see what happened today. The overall market overnight is they try to push it back up since yesterday. And in the morning, as you can see that the market it tried to hang on to the yesterday rally. So as you can see right now, we are try to push it back up. Okay. So, but the problem here is we do have a lot of resistance on the top here. So we have to see how the market is doing. They pulled back, and you can see that we go sideways. And so far, we're still sideways here. Okay, so we are still not sure uh, that they're able to break out and go higher, or this one is just a another pull back down and come back up, okay, and then pull back down until they break this level, and then we can say that the market will make a new high. Other than that, right now we have to stick with whatever they show it. So basically, right now we still thinking that the market will still continue to climb back up if they be able to break this level here. But if they don't do that, and then you can see this one it maybe it's a first correction, and then they pull back down up here, and then they go down to the other side. Okay, so as you can see here, so we finish this one here, and let's see they may zigzag around here. Okay, before they can do this before they can go higher. So we have to see that we have to get out of this resistance area here. Okay, in order to say that we make a new high. Other than that, we still in the sideways market. So you have to be trade carefully inside the zone here. Okay, so that's what it looked like for the ES SP 500 right now. And look at the Russell 2000. The Russell 2000 is still in the correction parallel channel here, as you can see on the daily chart. They still stuck in this range here. And over here on the 60-minute chart, you can see that the market it have been go up and down, up and down. Okay, so right now look like the overall market they try to push it, you know, for the one. Okay, and then they try to go back here first. So if we break this one here, then we'll be able to go higher. If we don't, and this one it can be A, okay, they put it to B, and then we hit to C. Okay, so as long as we stuck in the parallel channel here, we have to trade in the range. So we have to looking for the swing point, looking for the swing point. Okay, so that's how you trade. Okay, so you have to get in, get out in the parallel channel here. Okay, all right. So that's for the Russell 2000. For the YM, I think it's the same thing. Yep, the YM I try to pull back here, they hold up, now they climb back up. So the whole thing here they have five ways. So we have this one maybe way A, and then if they push it back it will be up, or they start a new way up here. So we have to see that they be able to wreck this level and go higher. And this is the embedded test level for the Dow. When they hit back to this level here, you have to watch out. Are they be able to go through this level here, or they will give up here and come down further? So we will see day by day to see how they lay out. Okay, for the NQ is same thing. They stuck in this range here, up and down, and at in 60-minute chart, you can see that they are in the triangle formation. Okay, so look like this is what they do for today. So take a look to see are they going to get here and break out, or they come out here and break down. So we will see. Okay, and now for the oil it goes nowhere. Okay, but they hold up pretty well at the buy zone. They used to be a sell zone, now become a buy zone, so they hold up at this level between here and here. And right now, if they are complete this move here, they can bounce back up and testing the upper level again. Okay, so we will see how they are doing. Maybe they try to bounce back up here, one more shot. Okay, before they can go down. Overall, if the trend is still down, they may come back down here and then they take back up, right? And then before they can go down further. Okay, let's see. That direction that so far they go sideways between 57 and 59 right now. All right, so that's for the oil. Uh, for the natural gas, let's see. Like I told you yesterday, they pull back here, they hold up here, and now they try to find a way to get back. Because technically, this is a shell down that you up to this level here, so they can probably try to do one more attempt up to the shell down before they can uh, going down further. Okay, so they are in this one right now. Look like they try to bow back up here. Okay, so short term here. Okay, so they pull back here and then they go back there again. Right. So let's see how far they can go to resist it up into this level here. So uh, if they put it back up, they have to test the upper level up here. Okay, so that's for the natural gas. And for gold, gold is interesting. Gold yesterday, I draw the blue box here for you. When it hit to the this area, and then they run out of gas, as you can see here. So right now we want to see that what they're going to do. Okay, so they're going to come back down, or they hold up and go higher. Okay, because if they're able to wreck this blue box, probably they can go up. But if they go below here, it means that they still have a chance to get back to this level. So it depends on the market. If the market go up, gold will pull back down. If the market go down, probably gold will pull back up. So we have to see what direction market they want to do. Okay. So in the short term, you can see that the gold is taking this area right now. So this is a trend line down, but they have some support here. So because they may have one more push back up here to finish it up into the top of the box here, maybe, or they will to complete the, the way you see up before they can come back down. Okay. And for the bond yesterday, we wrote this box for you. Okay, so right now they pull into this box. Right now they run out of gas. So let's see, they pull back here. Then they have a support here. So uh, if they're going up, market going down. If they're going down, market going up. Okay, the Bitcoin is overnight. The Bitcoin is still stuck into this range right now. So they go nowhere. Okay, but seems like they are in this triangle formation here. So technically, uh, the retracement area here is over here. So if they wreck this level, they can go back here and test down below here. As long as on the 60-minute check, as long as they still hold above this level, and then they can bow back up and go higher. Okay, so they have a big uh, sideways correction on way number 4. So let's see how they turn around. Then be able to back out later and then go for the way number 5. Okay, so that's what it is right now for the Bitcoin. And the same thing like Ethereum would pull back to the block here before they can get some momentum and go higher. And for the euro is to get stuck in this area. As you can see, the Dow trend line to hold them up. So in order for them to go higher, they have to build some momentum and go back up. A lot of buyers they build up at this level. So if they hold here, okay, so that we can see this here is coming down, put back up. So this one here we don't know it's at the finished. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. So they may have one more leg to pull back down before they can go up, or they will hold here and then revert. Okay, it depends on how this one they want to move. Okay, so that's how the market look like for today. And as a trader, so you have to watch out overnight. Actually, I don't need to show this one here. Okay, so far that the market update for today, September 24. If you want to know more about our strategy, you can click it on the subscribe box below, and we will see you in another video. Okay, so let me cut it.